Honestly, being inside for like all of the year in school under fluorescent lights had taken like a big toll on how I was feeling all the time. I feel actually really happy that I've had this experience and that I know things that I didn't know before now. They pretty much taught us literally everything over here.
So right now we're on Glen Foerd. This is a historic arboretum located in Northeast Philadelphia in the Torresdale section. So you guys all ready for our adventure today?
Yes.
These are our river ambassadors, Glen Foerd summer programming. It's been around for, I believe, 6 years now. Today, we're doing our paddle across the river to Amico Island in New Jersey.
You can see the Philadelphia skyline from here. It's so nice.
The goal of this program is to do some hands-on environmental science, watershed science.
We're checking for pH. We're gonna water test basically.
Less about passing tests and more about giving kids an opportunity to get outdoors, just learn how to appreciate nature and connect with each other.
Yeah, they're like kind of similar, like 6, maybe a 6.5.
Pretty balanced pH for this environment.
I feel like I'm gonna know these kids for a while and, just keep in touch with them. It's a great program to, meet other people your age and that they're interested in what you also are interested in.
Can anybody identify this tree?
Silver maple.
That's correct.
The program is over for the 2026 season. It will start again in July of 2027. Anybody interested in learning more about our programming here can check us out at glenfoerd.org.
I was actually a student here with the River Ambassador Program in 2021. Now I am one of the lead environmental educators here. I believe in environmental justice for all and that everyone should have clean, free, equal access to their environment. And so I think this is such a great place. I would love to see this grow, maybe have more opportunities for people, even kids, to have more programs like this. And so that's something I would love to see around here.
Yeah, let's go.